Oh, gee. I can't wait to see that one. I think that's a lot better compared to my previous jigsaw jumps, because I'm struggling right now with a small transition, but I think I'm not pushing hard enough and I'm not locking my legs. So I'm excited. Let's see what's the outcome is. Have a good day, guys, and just enjoy life, keep practicing, and also be thankful and grateful for each day, each moment. Don't take it for granted. Okay, God bless and have a great day. Thanks for watching.